Hi beautiful people, welcome back to Fougees Beauty. Kemi here, and today we are reviewing a brand that you guys already know about. The same brand behind the Indian Afghan product. They have so many under the Indian Afghan. So when they drop this new Korean fair skin body set, I'm like, these people have come because these people love to look after your skin. Let's see what they gave us this time. The full set has the lemon plus vitamin C body wash, the lemon plus vitamin C lotion, the lemon plus vitamin C oil, and the Korean Beauty Natural Glow Face Cream. Let me break it down for you one by one, my people, because this one is giving luxury on nothing. One thing I like about this company is they don't play when it comes to brightening and glowing the skin. And when it comes to looking after your skin, they don't play. So if they say something brightens your skin, it will definitely brighten your skin. But in a clean, classy way, because that's what all their products have been given. Indian Afghan has been one of their best sellers and one of my best sellers when it comes to the product that I sell. And this Korean Fair Skin set follows the same gentle but effective pattern. So let's start with the lemon plus vitamin C body wash. From my customers' review, this body wash lathers very well. It smells fresh, like citrusy, and it lathers really well. It helps to brighten the skin. So if you have dull skin, it brightens it gradually, and it leaves that clean money glow finish every time you use it. So if you want a body wash that wakes your skin up and give it freshness, then this is the one you need to look into. The lemon plus vitamin C lotion is the heart of the set. My customer just love the way it brightens the skin gradually, not in a bleachy kind of way. They love the way the skin feels so soft and smooth. They said even in hot weather, people in Nigeria that are using it, they said it works great, that it absorbs very, very good and quickly into the skin without giving any greasy feeling, that it gives them a fresh, clean, brighter looking skin. This lotion is perfect for anybody who wants clean brightness without going too white or intense. So if you want your brightness to pop, the best lotion you can use right now is to use this product that I'm reviewing. Now let's go into the oil. The oil is super lightweight. It absorbs fast into the skin. It gives a glowing finish and it makes your lotion to even work faster. It softens, tough areas like your elbow, your knees, and it also adds moisture to your skin and it doesn't dry out your skin. It is smooth and it is very, very effective. Just mix a little bit into your lotion and you're good to go. You will get a neat, brighter and well-polished skin. The face cream here, that one is the star of the set. This one came out first and customers have been buying this before the rest of the set even came out. This one is going to brighten you without, bleaching your skin. This one is going to make your skin feel so fresh and youthful. This one is going to give you the texture, like a smooth texture, even out every dull area of your face. It will give you that clean girl glow. It is also perfect for people that have sensitive skin. This is the type of face cream that does not stress your skin. It will just say glow and go. That is what you get from using this particular face cream. So this set, what it promised to give you, you will get a clean lemon vitamin C brightness, a smooth glowing even skin tone, a lightweight product for hot weather, a set that works together without being harsh. You will also get a gradual brightening but not bleaching effect, fresh, youthful, radiant skin. That is what this set promises you. It is perfect for students because it's affordable, for working class babes, for mom, for anyone that wants a brighter, fresh skin without the drama that can come with lightening skin. This product is for you. This brand, they already proved themselves with the Indian Afghan. So this Korean set follows the same pattern. It's brightening, it's glowing, it's smoothing out your skin, and it gives clean results. You will not have any white patches, no green veins when you are using this. If your goal is fresh looking, fair, smooth skin, with the Korean products, you can achieve that. This set is worth trying if you are looking for something clean. If you want to get it, I sell it. You can go straight to our website to order. You can also chat us up to order yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I will give you real skincare reviews. I will bring you product that actually works, product that delivers, product that will not damage your skin, product that will make your skin to be envious. Like your enemies will just be envious of your skin with how popping it will look. Those are the kind of products I will be giving you here. And I will not sugarcoat anything. I'm not being paid for any product review. I'm just giving my honest review based on my customer's review, or if it was a product that I've used, I will tell you that this is a product that I have used. But this company, their product have been nothing but delivering good, amazing results since the beginning. They don't damage your skin, no green vein, I said it again, no patches on your skin, no white dots. It's just clean, beautiful results. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you for clicking on this video, and I thank you because I know you are going to like this video, you're going to share it, and you're going to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay blessed and have a lovely time. Bye for now.